Jesse. Give me that binky. You don't need that binky. How you doing?
Daddy, wait a minute, guys. None of my claws.
Is that sun too much? I just put that jacket up there so the sun wouldn't get on him, and then he knocked it off. Hey, what about you guys? James, how you doing?
My claw fell off. Daddy, my claw fell off. Daddy, my claw fell off. Daddy, it's
Yeah.
not my claw. It fell
Okay.
off.
We'll have to fix it, right?
Yes.
All right. Relax. Not the end of the world that your claw fell off your robot. Show Pop your robot again.
Jesse says, it's broken now.
So he doesn't care if it's broken.
Yeah,
I'll fix it.
my claw fell off.
All right. Well, I'll figure it out. What about you and your robot?
Well, I'm gonna blast your head off.
Oh. That's comforting to know. Well, what about your brother over here? What is he doing? See? He's just like Pops, man. Look at that. See? He's got that look.
Sean, we went to them, buddy.
All right, we're on our way to the airport. Coming to see you, Pop. Coming to see you.
As fast as we can.
Yeah.
Daddy, before you go, can you put the claw on?
Yeah. Go ahead and tell Pop we're signing off for now until you get your claw fixed.
Pop, we're signing out for now before you get your... Johnny, put the shield on.
It's not that hard, Johnny. Go ahead. Take two.
I know. Oh,
Ready, camera, action.
oh, God. Okay. Pop, we're going to be signing off as soon as my robot is fixed.
All right. Say see you soon, Pop. James?
Say, see you soon, Pop. What? See you soon, Pop. See you soon, Pop.
All right. What about you, Jesse? All right. Signing off.